Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Best Buy gift card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is head on over to bestbuy.com. Now from here I want to just put in a random product into my cart, so I'm going to check out some headphones here. Alright, I'm going to scroll down and I might put these, actually I might put in these all-in-one headset here, so I'm going to chuck that in here, add to cart. Basically we need to get to the checkout section where we can add a Best Buy gift card, so I'm just going to click on add to cart here, add to cart, sorry. Alright, that's in my cart. So now I want to go to my cart, click on go to cart. Alright, I'm on my cart here. Alright, and sometimes it might include a gift card as well. So as it says here, if I buy this MetaQuest 256 gigabyte all-in-one headset, I'm going to have a $30 Best Buy gift card automatically added. Not every product does this, so yeah, it's pretty cool that they do offer it. But to add in your own gift card, we need to go ahead and click on checkout. And now we need to sign in, but I might try and, yep, signing me in here. I'm going to quickly connect my account, so I'm just going to quickly do this and get to the next page. Alright, so then you'll get to this page. I couldn't log in, I'm just checking out as a guest, so that's besides the point. So what we need to do here, just make sure the details are correct here, scroll down, and because I'm a guest I need to put in my email and phone number, and then from here I need to continue the payment information. And now once we're on the payment information, if we scroll down, under other payment options we've got add gift cards. So from here we want to put in the card number or discount code and then put in the PIN and then click apply. And depending what's on your gift card, say for this example, if it's $100 on that gift card, it's gonna, so this price is going to be $418.84 minus 100, it's going to be $318. And then from there you got to pay the rest of the balance using your Visa or credit card number here and just fill that in and then go ahead and click on place your order. But if your gift card equates to more than the total, you're going to have credit for another purchase.